Banana peels with cloves are one of the best things you're about to discover. You only need 2 bananas. Peel them starting from the bottom, then remove the inside. Cut the banana peels into small pieces. They're rich in potassium and antioxidants. Transfer them to a bowl and add 2 cinnamon sticks. Not many people know this, but cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels. Add bay leaves as well, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Toss in a handful of cloves too, since they have antiseptic and pain-relieving benefits. Put everything into a pot and pour in just under 1 quart of water. Boil it for a few minutes to release all the beneficial ingredients. Then strain the drink through a sieve to remove the spices and peel pieces. Finally, pour the elixir into a glass and enjoy its flavor and health benefits. It's a perfect way to relax and give your body a boost. Specialists rarely share this simple home remedy. Pour some alcohol into a small jar, add 1 spoon of allspice, 1 spoon of cloves, and 1 spoon of salt. Then stir everything gently. Soak a piece of gauze in the mixture and rub it onto your tired joints. This blend boosts circulation and gently relaxes tense areas. Drink this before bedtime, and the effects will surprise you. It dissolves everything you've eaten throughout the day. This green beverage is a natural weight loss remedy. It boosts metabolism and aids in easy elimination. Effectively combating constipation, it's simple and inexpensive to prepare. Take 3 smaller cucumbers and peel them. Cucumbers are excellent for hydrating the body, providing numerous vitamins and minerals. They act as antioxidants, aid in constipation issues, support weight loss, and regulate blood sugar levels. Chop the cucumbers into smaller pieces and place them in a container for crushing. Add clean, fresh mint leaves. Mint stimulates the secretion of digestive juices. Squeeze the juice from a lemon and pour it into the container with cucumbers and mint. Lemon primarily alleviates heartburn symptoms and aids digestion. Include a small piece of ginger with the cucumbers and mint. Ginger stimulates the production of saliva, gastric juices, and bile. Pour around 300 to 400 milliliters of water. Blend everything, strain it through a sieve, and pour it into glasses. Drink it every night before bedtime. It takes literally a moment to make. Use it for at least a week, and you'll feel the results. Your metabolism will improve, and you'll experience significant relief. It supports weight loss, leaving you feeling noticeably lighter.
A mixture for hypertension, lowering blood sugar, and regulating cholesterol levels. Just a few apples can improve parameters crucial for health, and when you add a few spices to them, such a mixture can work wonders, especially for people in middle age. Take 2 apples. They contain vitamin C, E, B group vitamins, magnesium, and potassium, which are crucial in combating hypertension. Cut them into quarters and remove the seeds. The polyphenols in apples not only help lower blood pressure, but also sugar levels. Just 2 apples a day also lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of type B diabetes. Add the sliced apples. Add 5 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks. Cloves support insulin production in the body and lower bad cholesterol. Cinnamon, on the other hand, lowers systolic and diastolic pressure. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Cook all the ingredients together for 10 minutes. After cooking the mixture, strain it through a sieve and let it cool. Drink at least 3 times a week in a small glass. You will quickly notice an improvement in well-being. The body will cleanse and heal itself, and cholesterol will finally be within the normal range.
This mixture eliminates cough and helps remove phlegm. It treats sore throat. You can make it at any time. You will stop cough attacks and recover faster. Slice a red onion. Then chop a piece of ginger. Also, chop 1 garlic clove. Slice 1 clean lime. In a pot, add the ingredients one by one. Onion helps treat persistent dry cough, as well as wet cough with accompanying phlegm. Ginger warms up stagnant secretions, soothes cough, and eliminates sore throat. Garlic is a well-known home antibiotic and has antiseptic properties, thus alleviating sore throat. Lime aids in treating upper respiratory tract disorders, including cough and sore throat. Add a cinnamon stick. This spice effectively soothes sore throat and persistent cough. Pour 2 cups of water and turn on the stove. Bring the mixture to a boil and simmer covered for 15 minutes. Then strain and pour into a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey to each glass. Drink twice a day for 1 week. Do you make such mixtures at home? Make this simple jar just like our grandmothers did. Put 3 sprigs of rosemary inside, add a handful of cloves, pour in alcohol, and finish with some salt. Close the jar and shake it gently. After a moment, soak a cotton pad and wipe your feet and wrists. It's a quick homemade way to boost circulation. Your body relaxes and unwinds after a long day. Elderflower lemonade is the best and healthiest drink you can make this time of year. It's a refreshment from elderflowers that you probably never imagined. These flowers not only look beautiful, but also have unique properties and flavor. It's best to pick them from a place far from streets to avoid pollution. First, trim the branches from the flowers. The branches have a bitter taste, so they need to be removed. Prepare a large jar and put the clean flowers into it. Then, slice 1 clean lemon into thin slices and add them to the jar. Next, juice 2 more lemons and add the juice to the jar. Add a cup of sugar. The sugar is essential because elderflowers contain various beneficial bacteria and wild yeasts that feed on the sugar. Finally, fill the jar with water. Stir everything in the jar thoroughly to dissolve the sugar. Don't screw a lid onto the jar. Instead, cover it with a piece of gauze so the contents can breathe. Stir the lemonade daily. When it starts to fizz after a few days, strain the contents of the jar through a sieve into a bottle with a cork. The lemonade is now ready to drink, and I guarantee it will be delicious, especially when chilled from the fridge. Drinking it in the morning improves gut health. Cheers. It'll dissolve everything you've eaten throughout the day. Drink it before bed, and in the morning, you'll wake up feeling like new. It effectively speeds up fat burning. Start by slicing a lime into thin rounds. Lime is a source of vitamin C, has cleansing properties, and supports digestion. Pour about a quart of water into a medium-sized pot. Now it's time for a special ingredient, a true gift of nature. It's excellent for detoxing the body, supports the liver, and stimulates the digestive system. It's dried hibiscus flowers, full of antioxidants and natural acids. Toss in a handful. Next, add another ingredient. Bay leaves have anti-inflammatory properties and help the digestive tract work better. Throw 3 leaves into the pot. Now add the sliced lime, which will give the mixture a refreshing, tangy taste. Finally, add 1 more ingredient. A tablespoon of cinnamon will help fight bloating and further support digestion. Simmer everything over low heat for 15 minutes. This combination cleanses, energizes, and supports your digestive system. Drink it every evening, preferably before going to sleep. You'll feel the difference quickly, a natural way to better health and a slimmer figure.